The good news is that we've upgraded some of the apps that we've got. We've got 9 altogether on both the markets. And these are the first 3 that have been completed in full. So you can download these or reload them to get the newer version. I think they're all about 2.7. So here we are, we've got the calculator app. This is really good, especially to find out if your radiator is too small, which it probably is, which is why you're freezing and having to turn up the boiler and the room thermostat just to keep warm. So now's the time to do it. The other apps that we've got here is the gas rate. So that tells the engineer whether you're burning the correct amount of gas, too little or too much, which is the most popular way. And the last thing, which is also important, is the gas pipe size to all the gas appliances. Quite often they're too small, and especially going to the boiler, it's going to stay on longer just to try and keep up. So this is a very crucial app to download. Our books are always available. It's got all the wiring ones. Here's we've got the orange one, which is done a few months ago, and on page 20 of the orange wiring book, as I say, there's this lovely colour drawing. Says all of our ones are strictly in colour, and we've got all the different things to control. So you can download this app and teach yourself wiring and fault finding, everything that's involved in controls. The next thing that we want to have a look at is the central heating one, all the different faults. So if you're an engineer or DIYer and there's something wrong with the system, this is the book to buy, because it's got all of the different faults and hints and tips, and to remind you, or check this or do that, just to make sure that everything is actually working correctly. And of course you can teach yourself how to use a multimeter. So again, all of the apps will be uploaded and renewed as we go along. It's a long old process, unfortunately, but we will get there, and hopefully in the next few months. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and make a comment if you wish down below. Take care.